Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. This is not financial advice. Let's get it, baby. Oh yeah, we in the building. I see Knoxville is in the building. Round of applause for the family. Come on in, y'all. Come on in. Let's get it. Round of applause for the family. We love. Yeah, Maine is in the building, baby. Jamaica is here. Phoenix is here. Let us know where you from in the comments, baby. We got Guyana in the building. Texas. Let everybody know where you from. We got Boston in the building. Let's get it. I see you, family. Denver, Atlanta. We here. We here. Chicago is in the chat. I see you. Maryland, North Carolina, North Dakota. I see you. Oman is in the house. Shout out to the family. Montreal. We got Ireland. We got Rhode Island. New York. We got the Bronx. Brooklyn. We got Dallas. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get it. This is not financial advice. I just hope you bought your oven mitts, baby, because it's about to get hot in the kitchen. Now, don't invest in companies you don't understand and don't believe in, because if they dip, then you're not gonna buy the dip, and then you're gonna sell low. Woo! Yeah, you're gonna sell low. If you can't handle the heat, your foundation is weak. If you can't handle the heat, your foundation is weak, baby. That's what. Listen, we got to know what time it is. Then you gonna sell low and be right back here crying to me. Y'all know what the rest is. Let me know what the rest is. But without further ado, I'll give you. I'll set you up. You know what? You're gonna be right back here crying to me. Let me know. Let me know. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it, baby. We here. Happy Thursday, family. December 9th. We in the building. We not having that. You know what time it is. We not having that. Come on now. Let's get it. I see you, family. Let's go. We in the building. Yo, shout out to the whole family, baby. Shout out to the whole family. Subscribe if you have not already done so. Hit the like button if you have not already done so. Let's get it, baby. Let's get 50% likes. But without further ado, let's start the show. So, Shiba Inu at the time of this recording is currently 4 zeros and 36. It is really consolidating in this level. You see what I'm saying? They said, I'm not having that to NFT. Just me and the NFT doing this. That's hard. All right, look. For the last, I want to say, since the whole month of December, you could basically call it, we've been basically consolidating between this channel. It's a larger channel of about 40 and about 30. But in more recent times, we've been consolidating between 32 and 37. So 4 zeros, 32 or 37. So let's keep it going. Let's go up and deal with some of the facts. So really interesting that Ask the Doctor. They are getting they got their feet wet with Shiba Inu. But now what they're starting to do is they change their picture on Twitter. They really going all the way in, family, with everything Shiba Inu. So they really are all the way in. Let's just keep it like that. So check this out. 9 hours ago, they just keep doing more and more things. They posting all kind of Shiba Inu news, right? It says Bitstamp list Shiba Inu. So they're on a new thing where you could buy it. All these other things. Hold up. Allergies. Woo. Let's check out AMC before we do anything else, because you know what time it is. These short sellers, you know we're allergic to them. Yep, here we go. Let's see. Yep, here we go. Look at this. Always. But let's keep it going. So Ask the Doctor. They have another poll going. Let's see what it says. Now they're trying to get someone else to change. Look at this. They're trying to get someone else to change their profile pic to Shiba Inu if we break and lose another zero. So they really pumping this out. So now, they said that we want Jeff Bezos to get in on Shiba Inu. They really going hard. They said, hey, Robinhood, win SHIB. One of the reasons why they asked that is because there was a new whale, and we talked about this a little bit yesterday, who basically picked up $125 to $120 million worth of Shiba Inu. So they really loaded up. So let's see if they have it here, or we have to look it up for ourselves. Let's see. Here we go. Who just bought $120 million worth of Shiba Inu? And they said they think that it's Robinhood. Could it be? Maybe. Is it? Who knows? However, you already know what time it is, family. We want to see this on basically every major exchange. So it is what it is. And Robinhood is one of them, and they going through their own thing. When you look at Robinhood stock, it's coming down like a rock. However, let's see if it bounced. So ticker symbol HOOD. It's in the 20s, family. They've been doing bad. Let's zoom out and look at the day chart. Look at this. Dropped like a rock. From all the way, it got to 85, and this was in August. And now look at that. It's all the way down to 20, family. Really came down like crazy. Came down like it's nasty. It's nasty to see. So let's keep it going. Let's check out what's going on with the Burn wallet, the Black Hole wallet, right here. So they've burned about, I want to say, 1 million more sheep since the last time that I covered this, which was last night. And again, who's doing it? It's that bigger entertainment playlist. They just consistently just keep burning through. They just burned 500,000 Shiba Inu. But they consistently are burning through it. Gemini has burned some. Gemini Exchange 4. Cryptocurrency account number 2. They burned it too. Crypto.com. They keep burning it. Shout out to them. Let's go to the market cap and cover that really quickly. So we got Bitcoin, Ethereum number 1 and 2. Binance is number 3. We just covered some notable ones. Dogecoin is number 11 in terms of market cap. What are they all worth together? Right? Somebody said because Robinhood sucks. Hey, man, look, they did it to themselves. They did it to themselves. So we got Shiba Inu at 13. Crocoin at 15. Shiba Inu is down 14% today, but that's pretty average for a cryptocurrency. That's just a Thursday. You know what I'm saying? Something like that. Just real simple. Okay. Now, the volume traded on the day. In the last 24 hours, the volume traded on the day in terms of dollars of Shiba Inu, 1.049 billion, which is more because Dogecoin isn't even 1 billion. So actually quite high volume. However, Polygon is really experiencing a volume spike, and they're actually jumping up too, by the way, in the last 7 days. So shout out to them for that. But let's keep it going and let's see. Let's look at the beast, the big dog, the banger, AMC Entertainment. Also, if you were looking to pick up Shiba Inu because you don't have any yet, or you're trying to average down, I want you to be on the lookout for 2 support levels. The first one is 35. The next one is 30. So be on the lookout for those 2 supports, right? So now, remember, we already talked about this. We already broke the Fibonacci level. So now it's a very high likelihood that we're going to stay down here for a while, if not break into the basement. So let's check it out. You said Avalanche is adopting SHIB. Shout out to them. Shout out to them. So let's keep it going. And let's look at AMC. We got to check them out. AMC had a great day yesterday. And let's look at it on the minute chart, the minute time frame. So we're coming back down to the 30s. Now, I'm not telling you to run any call options or anything like that. However, I do want you to understand, and I want you to see that when AMC comes down into the 20s, or at least the low 30s like it is right now, family, this is like pulling on a rubber band. Do you see this? Look at this. It drops down. Some people get on and straight to the promised land. Do you see what I'm saying? Is Polygon a good look? In my opinion, I think Polygon it is looking to be something very strong. I'll do more research on that too, because I see the interest. If you want me to do research on Polygon, let me know. I won't hit you with the notepad today. I'll write Polygon on it. If you want me, just let me know. Let me write it down. If you want me to look into Polygon and do some research on that. You can't super chat any word that says bang. That's interesting. Hey, you never know. But again, look at this. It comes in. You say you're learning in the options class right now. Let's get it. If you want to join the Discord link is in the top, family. I'm telling you, the family growing like wildfire. And one thing too is the family is staying like hot glue. Like I don't even know, like cement. And I appreciate y'all for that. And I love y'all for that. And I want you to just know that when you get into the Discord, right? You go through the Discord, you get in through Patreon. Patreon actually contacted me, and they sent me an email, and they were asking me about there was many things. They were talking to me about like, how's the family growing like this? And like it was all kind of stuff. They wanted me to be a part of their new rollout. They're about to change it and all of this and all of that. And they wanted, because many things. First of all, the family is growing like wildfire. Second of all, the family is staying like cement, and we sticking together like a real family. So then when I see everybody, first of all, joining, second of all, staying, this is making Like Patreon hit me up and they want to know what time it is. But again, Don DeMarco for the family. I appreciate y'all, all of y'all. Just know, let me tell you something. You don't hear this a lot, but yo, leaving my job and then betting on y'all, betting on the family, and us sticking together. Cause let me keep it real. The whole family could have straight up abandoned me. You know, I would have been straight up grinding. You know what I'm saying? But just the fact that I'm grinding and then y'all are there with me, it just makes it all the better. It makes it all the better. Enrique, I appreciate you, family. I appreciate you for that. But again, I'm telling you this. I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. And I try to tell you all the time because I want you to really understand how real it is to me. But again, let's get it. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. I love y'all. Round of applause for the family. Round of applause for the family. My dogs. Let's get it. I love y'all, man. But check it out. So, Lucid is coming down. And oh, man. Family, let me tell you something. He said, love the Discord chat. Yo, that's all I'm talking about, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Let me tell y'all something that happened the other day. And I was just disappointed to see it, right? So, I posted this on the Discord. Let me post it. Let me go get the screenshots right now. And then post them right here so you can see it. And this is about Lucid. We'll come back to AMC. But I like Lucid a lot. I really do. Now that they're delivering cars, I'm telling you this. I want to be in it long. But the Discord fam, I showed you this yesterday. And, ooh, this was just a snake move, family. This was a snake move, in my opinion. Allegedly, supposedly, hypothetically, right? Check this. You know I got to airdrop it. I'm on the Mac. Here we go. I'm on the Mac, breaking it back. Here we go. Wow. With the notepad. Bow, bow, bow. All right, here we go. I ain't a rapper, though. Let's check it. So, CEO Peter Rollinson of Lucid Motors. Notice, let's get to the facts. He said it's worth it. I appreciate you, big dog. Much love for that. Much love for that. Much love for that. My dog. Hold up. Here we go. Much love. So, check it out. Notice that Lucid came down. Gap down right here. Look at this. It's been coming down for a little bit. When it was 47 or so, notice it's 41 right now. Check this out. CEO Peter Rollinson. This is the news going around. Lucid CEO sells almost 500,000 at 47, the same date as the subpoena, and quiet as it's kept, they're saying that they think he sold at 4 a.m. in the pre-market, like immediately, like straight up, immediately. Now, family, that's a lot. He didn't sell 400,000 worth. He sold 466,000 shares. And now that it's coming down like this, it just looked funny in the light. So now you may be asking yourself, so this is just a tweet. Kenan, you known for the receipts. Where the receipts? Well, I want to give a shout out to them for linking the receipts. Straight up. They linked it. Look at this. Lucid Group Inc., LCID, date 12/06 or December 6, 2021. Look at the transaction. Right here, it says that on this date, December 6, 2021, there was 466,749 shares just basically sold of this security. So then that's, where my notepad at, man? Come on, Peter Rollinson. We thought you had our back, but
My detector test determined that was a lie.
come on now, man. Come on, man. They said that you had no clue that they was gonna get subpoenaed.
Stop the cap.
Come on now. That's crazy. That's crazy. It don't, again, I still like this. I still like this. But, again, it's looking funny in the light. I still like this. I still am invested into this long term. Me and the Discord fam, a lot of us got in, I want to say when this was in the teens, right? But, hey, man, it is what it is. It is what it is. I'm not trying to downgrade Lucid or nothing like that, but we just always got to keep it straight up. We always got to keep it straight up. But again, all of this stuff is allegedly, supposedly, hypothetically, even though we got the receipts. So, let's keep it going, baby. Somebody asked me, should we do puts on this? So, I see what you're saying. I don't think that you're wrong because of the news catalyst, right? However, I do want you to understand that we are bouncing on a support. And it's a very, very strong support. We might go under it, but look at this. 1 confirmation, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, there's a lot of confirmations right here. These aren't technically confirmations right here. These broke under it. But on support levels, you want to watch out for something like that. You see what I'm saying? All right. So let's see if Apple is still on this rocket. I'm telling you, family. Yo, Apple is a banger, baby. So look, man, Apple, yo, what are we doing? Look, yo, I love it. I love it. I can't even lie. I can't even lie. Apple is probably among my top favorite stocks in the whole game. In the whole game. Because I was telling everybody this. If you invested into all of these little like penny stocks and all of these other kind of things and your portfolio isn't up, let's see what let's see. Hold up. Let's go to a very easy chart and let's look at this together. Let's look at this together. On the year. Yo, beast mode, baby. Beast mode. Let me airdrop this. Straight up. So family, look at that. Apple, if you would have just had straight up Apple and that was it, you would have been up 41% on the year on your whole portfolio if you all in on Apple. Ain't that crazy? Ain't that really just crazy? You'd have been up 41%. Just Apple, nothing else. Nothing else. Okay, so Discord fam. Let's see. I'm telling you, Apple is going nuts. Going nuts. Absolutely nuts. So, we don't like to bet against Apple for too long. If you bet against it for a second, that's good. Also, Discord fam, that charge point is bouncing back. Charge point is bouncing back. So, check that out. I might exit it now. I'm getting real close to exiting it now. Let's see. Come on down, Apple. Come on down. Come on down. Because you know your boy want to get into a play on Apple. I do want you to know, though, like, Apple, it's been running up so crazy for the last few days. Like, just look at this. Eventually, it's going to come down, but you don't bet against Apple for too long. We like this. You said Apple puts? We tried it. We tried it. One day, it's going to be a great idea. But for now, with all of this strength, and there's going to be a lot of FOMO buyers. People, think about it. Retail investors and institutions made money this day, this day, this day, this day. One day, it's going to cool off. But for now, woo, you said Apple's gives dividend even more than 41% if that's included. Yo, my guy, you absolutely right. You absolutely right. Man, come on, Apple. Banger, beast, monster. 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 Yo, family, I want to see if I can make a few $1,000s on live. Let's see. Let's see. I'm going to buy let's see. I'm going to put in, here we go. So I'm going to jump in this one. Try to get a good deal. All right, Discord fam, I just got one. Trying to get a fill. Did I fill totally? Yep, I'm filled. All right. So I'm trying to ride this wave. Let's see. All right. I'm trying to see if I can make a few $1,000s on this one. Here we go. Let me see. Shout out to you. You said, let's go, Kenan. I appreciate you, family. Much love. Much love. So let's see. So look at the MACD. You see this spray right here? All right. So Discord fam, look. I'm going in for a, here we go. Let me try to get this straight up. Here we go. I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Where we at? Where we at? Stocks of the week. Okay, okay. Hold up. Momentum's cooling. Momentum's cooling. Come on down. Come on down. I can get an even better one. I can get an even better one. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Hey. Now. Yo. Hey, yo. Hey, yo, Apple. You coming to pick me up or not? I can. It will not let me get this price. I got a little baby fill at. I'm gonna show you the one I'm looking at. I'm trying to get a really solid fill on this. I put it on stocks of the week. Let's get it. Here we go. Here we go. So notice the momentum on the MACD is cooling down. You said DocuSign too? Let me go check them out too. We don't want to forget about them. So let me try to get in on this by now it's starting to pump. Discord fam, check out stocks of the week. We got in on a little dip. What's up? Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Discord fam, I hope you following what I just did. I want to show y'all what it looked like to make some money. I don't plan on being married to this. Okay, so I just made, let's call it, $500. So now that's good. That's good for me, right? So I'm gonna let some of this go. I see it pumping still, but I'm gonna let some of this go, and I might get back in. All right. Let me see what Apple's gonna do if we're gonna cool. The MACD is heating up, heating up, heating up. So Discord fam, look, I'm gonna share this with you on stocks of the week so far where I am. I'm looking to let some of this go. Hold up. Here we go. Here we go. Are you invested in a GameStop? Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. So let me go to sell some of this and take my dub. All right. Where are we? We still got 5 minutes for the first 15. Here we go. So let me let go of just some. All right, cool. And I might jump back in. But for now, let me share you. I said I wanted to make 1,000. I didn't quite get there. But it's still pushing up a little bit, but I'm trying to actually exit this. So look, just real quick. I bought 50 and I made 500. Remember, I ain't getting married. I ain't getting married to this. Not this. So it's Apple. It can still push up like crazy. But remember, you set your targets and then you let it go. Set your targets, let it go. I was looking to make 1,000, but that's, let me tell you, 500 is good. 500 is good for me. Especially, how long did it just take me to do that? No time. No time at all. So just a quick, real quick, where we at? Real quick 500, and I let her go. I let it go. It was a good run. Quick day trade. So now what we can do is we can look for one that ain't so quick get in and out, that everybody can try to get in on. Now look, the MACD starting to cross over, right? Which was a good signal. We seen it closing in, right? Which tells you that, look at this, you about to see some red, and it's true. And you can see even the positive momentum on this green going up like crazy. How much did it cost me? 7,000. It's in a picture. 6,000. You see this? I didn't get it. I didn't get it totally, but 6,000 to make 500. 6,000. What? 900. But again, it's Apple, baby. It's Apple. You know what I'm saying? You gotta love them. No, hold up. Cancel that. Got me in focus mode. There we go. And now Apple is trying to pump again. Yo, Apple is a beast, man. Apple is a straight up. When it come to like just get money, Apple is a monster. Straight up. Straight up. Like you cannot deny that. When you look at Apple, you're like, yo, you just gotta love it. You just gotta love it. All right, let's see. You said, am I still holding? Nah, I'm out of it. When I posted this, I jumped out. I wanted to make 1,000, but I seen that 500 happen like that. I was like, that's good. That's good for me. That's real good for me. However, I will be willing to jump back in and make some more. Now that I see it lower. So look, the object of the game is to buy low and sell high. You sell high, it jumped up real quick. I was like, all right, 500, I'll take it. And then boom, we come back down. I'm willing to buy it again for lower than I sold it for. Right? You see what time? You know the game, family. It's Apple. All right. So look, I'm trying to jump back in the game. Let's see what's up with her. Man, Apple is a banger. All right. Now she pumping. But we just had this crossover right here, and we're starting to get some selling pressure. But again, Apple in the first 15 minutes, it is what it is. We let it do what it's gonna do. We let it do what it's gonna do. Right? Let me just see what here we go. And now she's pumping again. Yo, come on, Apple, man. There we go. So family, look, I'm about to buy 99 of these. 99 of these. It's gonna cost a lot, right? But I'm buying a lot of these. How much money did it take you? I'll show you now. I'm buying 99 of them. Let me get in. There we go. I'm buying 99 of them. Right now, this is 13,000 at this price. And let's try. All right. So I got 99 of them, and then I'm gonna put it a little bit higher than what I paid. Here we go. So now, boom. Slow and steady wins the race. Remember my goal. I want to make $1,000. So look, now that I got that, what I'm going to do is I'm looking to let this go. I hit my goal. What did it take me? Totally, I'm in this for 13. I just bought 99 of them right now. Okay, so now I'm going to let them go. I'm going to sell 99 of them. I could hold a little bit, but I'm not going to get greedy. I'm just going to leave it be. I can see Apple pumping, by the way. I'm going to sell a lot of them and just straight up let it go. So I'm going to sell a lot of them. Here we go. Good. Look like I had some decent timing too. All right. So check this out. So this is where I'm at with it. It's hard to. I'm trading back and forth the same exact play that you saw on watch list. On the watch list, I'm day trading it. All right. So I'm gonna show you the results of both. I'm shooting to make $1,000, right? So I made 500 once, I took it. And then I made 500 the second time, and I took it. So here we go. And I noticed if I put more in, and I'm doing this because one of my guys on the Discord, right? He was asking me, he was telling me that he needs to make $30,000, right? And he said he needs to do it before December or something like that. So then, oh yeah, here we go. Even better. Better exit than I was even wanting for myself. Yo, let's get money. Let's go. Let me go check my order. I'm trying to get up out of this. Sell. Yo, Apple going bananas. I know I'm going to look back and wish I held on, but I'm not going to get greedy to that. I'm not. I made over what I wanted to make. I told you I wanted to get on live and make 1,000. I did that, and now I'm good. Let me check my orders. All right, while I'm doing this, I'm just going to show you. Because now that it's coming back down, I keep catching the top. So, yeah, one of my guys on the Discord, he told me, he was like, Kenan, I want to make $30,000. I want to make $30,000 in, when did he say? This. So this one, I showed you what it was, and I'm day trading it back and forth. So look, I made the 1,000. It took me 13, and I made 1,000. And then I also made 500. So totally on this, I bought 50, I sold out of it. And then I bought 99, I sold one, and then I sold the rest. So then here and here, I made $1,500 in literally one day. Now, what I'm doing is I'm straight like that. I'm just day trading this. I'm going in and I'm going out. Back and forth, back and forth. I hope that makes sense. I'm going back and I'm going forth. I showed you what play it was. What am I on? I'm on Webull. I'm on Webull. So yeah, check stocks of the week. When you're doing a day trade, it's hard to keep posting it. But like because you gotta watch the charts. You see what I mean? So now, what do I have? I have one left. This one contract. Just so I can monitor it. In case it drops again, a lot. So this is what I did. I stole them all, and I got one left. Because I think Apple can still pump. So this is the one that I have left. And let me walk you through exactly what I did. So you can know how to do it. And I was telling you, remember, it's about making more than you lose. So here we go. I started off. I bought 500. I posted it to stocks of the week, and I told you I was gonna day trade this. I made $500, good like that, and then I sold this one completely. I sold out all 50 of them, and then I bought 99 of them. Right? It says 98, but I bought 99, and then I just sold one. Right? I sold one, and then I kept the 98, and then I made 1,000. Right? And then I just kept this one. I still have it right now. So I'm in this for $133. So even if it goes to zero or whatever, I already made 500. I already made 1,000. Now, the reason that I wanted to bring this up is because I don't know if you're watching this right now, but how much did it cost me to get it and to do this? 6,000 once, 13,000 the next. But everybody, obviously you can't do this, but I want you to see how you could day trade and really make a lot of money. So like a lot of the times, like you got to know, and I tell you this time and time again. And when I get on the Discord later and we talk, I'm gonna explain this even more. So we can have a conversation and you can ask specific questions about it. But one of my guys on the Discord, he was like, "Man, Kenan, look, I need to make 30,000 by December, and then by the end of December." And I was telling him, "Don't shoot for that. Don't shoot for 30,000 by the end of December. Like, well, yeah, you can shoot for that, but don't shoot for that in a day." Because if I put 30,000 and I try to double it, I'm gonna lose, right? But if I try to shoot for, let's try to shoot for, less than that, significantly less than that. Let's say you got 20 days you could trade, and you try to make, let's call it $1,500 a day or something like that, right? That's more reasonable than trying to go 30 and hit the home run. You see what I mean? So then understand that. So then that's really why I wanted to just show you this exercise real quick, and I made a quick 500, and then I made 1,000, so $1,500, a little more than that, and I'm currently up like 9% on this one. And this one actually isn't expensive, by the way. Per contract right now, it's somewhere between 143 and 133. But remember, I picked up a lot of them. I picked up a whole lot of them. You said, "Man, smash that like for the education." I appreciate you, family. And again, I want to show you this because, like, one thing, and I joke around. And yo, you know what's funny? You know what's funny? It looked like I got out at the top. Again, I got out on this top, and I got out on this top. That's crazy. You said Kenan the Beast, the banger. I'm telling you this, family. I'm telling you this. And yeah, yo, straight up. Like, I was talking to Uncle Larry, and he was saying it's really a great thing that we get on and show everybody how to make money online and how it can actually be done, like live. Like I'm doing this live, right? So what happens is this. Many of the family, they watched me yesterday, and I appreciate you putting some headphones in the chat because I'm about to just really explain to you what's going on, right? I was talking to Uncle Larry. He was saying, man, it's really great that we get on live and show the people what we're doing and how we're doing it. And like I really wanted to take it to the next level because I always get on here and we talk about the stocks and this and that and the third. But I wanted to really show you how you could really make a significant amount of money doing this, right? So then he was saying, yo, it's great that we on and we doing this because we could technically, at the point where we are, we could stop sharing it, stop showing it, right? And then just straight up just go do it, right? Just straight up go and do it. And let's say that I was to do something like this, and now that you get to see, because I'm trying to be so real with you, that I want to show you that, yo, man, Kenan, you get into an Apple put, and then guess what? I see it going down, and it goes down $5. I lose $100. Yesterday I lost $105 on Apple puts. I got into a call. It went up 200, 300. I made net 100. It wasn't sexy. It wasn't pretty to see, but that's a part of the game. I netted more than I made, but it was like a battle, right? But then, you know what? I'm showing you this. I'm showing you that, look, boom. I get on here. This ain't take me, I've been live for 39 minutes, but the market has not been open the whole time I was live. So this took me less than 30 minutes to make $1,500, right? Less than 30 minutes to make $1,500. Let's say that I'm going to net $1,000 a day with my strategy. Meaning some days I'm going to lose the 500, but some days I'm going to make 1,500. So then I would net 1,000. Family, watch this. If I lose, and you know me, I'm not looking to lose $500. You know what I'm saying? I cut out on a $5 loss. I cut out on a $100 loss. And then people be like, yo, Kenan, what's going on? What's going on? You cutting out on a $5, $100 loss? And I'm like, yes, because I'm trying to minimize my losses and maximize my wins. For example, there are 200 and about, I want to say 50 days that the stock market is open. Let's say that me, with my strategy, I was to net $1,000 per day net. That means some days I make 15, some days 1,500, and then other days I lose, let's call it 500, even though I'm not letting myself lose like that, right? Because I'm cutting out sooner than that. But then, family, that would mean that your boy doing something like this, because you're gonna lose and you're gonna win. But doing something like this, I would make $250,000 a year doing this. You see what I'm saying? I would make $250,000 a year doing this, right? And again, that's accounting for the losses. That's accounting for the losses. If I was to make $1,500, yo, I had a $1,500 day today. Whoa, let's go, right? And then tomorrow we try it again, and then it don't work out, and I lose 500. What does that give me? It gives me 1,000. But guess what? I'm still hitting my target. And that would be the 1,000. So then I would end up making 250. If in this example, 250,000, right? And let's divide that by, or we did it 250 days. You see what I'm saying? So then 250,000, and let's divide that by 12. That would be $20,000 a month, right? Just about $20,000 a month. And let's multiply that. Let's say you had to pay taxes on that, right? So then after all taxes, since you will be in a higher tax bracket, let's multiply that by, let's call it 0.4. Let's go hard. Let's say the government coming for you. Let's say you 0.45. Boom. Basically $10,000 after taxes a year. All of your taxes is paid and accounted for. And then what do you have left in your pocket? 10 G's, right? So that after taxes, you'll be able to live the life of somebody after taxes, making over 100,000 after taxes, right? And I gave you the extreme of the taxes. But again, I just wanted to show you what time it was. And now, what we can do now, after I showed you the day trade, is let's look for a longer trade than that. Big question, taxes. The tax man is coming, baby. It's coming for you. Listen, you can't avoid that. No matter what you try to do, you will not avoid taxes. The only way you could avoid taxes is something like investing back into your own business. Like, let's say that you own real estate. By real estate people, they some of the best people when it comes to getting their taxes down, because they are technically rich, but on paper they look broke because they spending so much money on like investing back into their own business or something like that. So now, Sue said, Kenan, inexpensive calls and puts. This one technically was inexpensive when you really look at it, but I got you. I'm not trying to just dismiss you. I got you. Technically, this one was not that bad. Look at this. What is it? Oh yeah, 133 for one contract. 133 for one contract. Somebody just said Disney is printing. If I'm not mistaken, I jumped out of the Disney call already. I'm still in the NIO call. I jumped out of the Disney call that we got into, Discord fam. Let me know if you're still in that Disney call. Family. We got into now the Discord fam though, we was eating, right? And I jumped out of that one. Let me see. Disney. Where we at? I might have taken a screenshot in my other phone. No, here it is. I jumped out of that one up 15%. But that was like this. I jumped up, I made $100. I told you, I like $100 bills. I straight up, I see that. I'm like, yeah, I'm looking for my exit now. You see what I'm saying? I'm looking for my exit now. And again, Discord fam. Also, and everybody here, what I want you to know is, if you want to be up on the plays when we get into plays, hit the Discord link in the top. We welcome you with open arms. You already know what time it is. And I don't always day trade, but I will day trade to show you what can be done. You see what I'm saying? Because we get into calls and we get into puts, but I also got to show you what can be done. You said the audio was going in and out. You said your Disney play is up 158. Let's get it. I'm 185. I said that backwards. Let's get it. Let's get it. You said great point, T-Bone. I missed it. Say it again. He said, imagine we asked those tax questions when your boss offered you a raise. Let me tell you something. I was talking to my accountant the other day, and he said, listen, straight up. He said, salute for the knowledge. I got you, family. I got you. You said you still in it, and you up 100 beans. Let's get it. So look, I was talking to my accountant, and he was saying, man, listen, every dollar you make, is a good thing, right? Because when you're making taxes, they're gonna tax you in every single tax bracket. Like some people think that you just jump into a new tax bracket. No. As you go into different tax brackets, you're in every tax bracket, and then they just pile a new one on top. And the money that reaches that new one, that gets taxed like that. So let's say that the highest tax bracket is 450,000 or something, right? And most of them are at a lower tax rate. Anything under that. If you make 151,000, then just that $1 is going to get tied and taxed at the highest tax rate in this example. You said salute for the knowledge. I got you, family. How many trades do you make on average a day? So if I was day trading, you would see me like literally do what I'm just doing, what I just did right now. Some days I'm gonna make, let's say I'm shooting for a specific goal, And that's one of the things too. Once you hit your goal, you got to be fine with it, right? So notice, look, I couldn't predict that I got out on the top twice, but I did know. Roy, message me on the Patreon, family. I got you immediately. Send me a message on Patreon. So look, check this out. I didn't know that this was going to be the top, but I did know that when I got here, I had a goal to hit 1,000. I hit 500. I was like, yo, I'm halfway there. I'll take it. This is good, right? It started coming down. I was like, oh, I got to get back in. Right? And notice we're using the MACD. One of my guys told me, look, start teaching people how to use that. This is really great, using the MACD. So I wanted to just bring this to your attention, right? It started coming down. I was like, why not? I'm going to put even more in like than I did the first time. So notice I got basically 50 the first time. And then I wanted to recreate what I did. So then I went and I bought like basically 100 the next time, which was 99, but then I sold one. So then it was 98. So I recreated it literally. And look, 50, and you could call this 100. Then I recreated it and made 1,000 just on a quick run up, on a retracement. That was this retracement from here to here, just straight up in an option, right? Look, from this low line right here, that was from 176 to 176.72. So just 72-cent move. 72-cent move ran me up. 72-cent move ran me up. Okay, so now to $1,000, right? That's why I want you to learn options and add that to your toolbox, family. Learn options and add that to your toolbox. It's so important. Now, again, account for the losses. You got to play offense. You got to play defense, but you want to learn how to lose. You want to learn how to win, right? Everybody, let me see. Do you have a view on Meta, Round Hill Ball, ETF? Let me write that down, family. Let me write that down. Appreciate you for the super chat, big dog. Much love. Round Hill. That might, I don't know if that's a crypto. ETF. Let me write that too. No, ETF. All right, yeah, let me check that out for you. Give me a second. All right, love you too, family. I appreciate you. I'm on Weeble right now. So again, I got on the top twice. I could jump in again. Remember, buy low, sell high, but I'm gonna chill. So we can you got to learn how to win and learn how to lose. One thing I said before, time and time again, when you first get into the game, you're gonna win big, but you're gonna lose bigger because you don't know how to lose yet. Everybody know how to win. Oh yeah, this thing is running home run 10 times, 20 times. You know how to win. Everybody know how to win. But then when it's coming down and it's not going your way, you got to say, yo, when am I getting up out of this? Right? So, and I was showing everybody yesterday, and a lot of people were confused how I got into, like yesterday, I was trying to day trade the put on Apple. I was looking for this right here. But I was doing it during this time, like right here. I'm trying to ride this wave. I'm like, oh yeah, okay. Then I started doing this, and I just said, look, I'm down $5. It didn't work. I'm down $100. It didn't work. Boom. Good thing I got out of that, right? So then you don't get married to them. You trade them. Remember that. It's about being able to trade. It's about being able to learn. So again, I want you to add that to your toolbox. But let's keep it going. Let's check out the beast, the big dog, the banger, AMC. AMC. Shout out to AMC. I love it. Could we get some, yo, family, it's been a long time, baby. It's been a long time. Could we get some hedge fund tears in the chat? Could we get some hedge fund tears in the chat? Family, I'm trying to see it. Oh, yeah. And while you doing that, let's get the music going, baby. It's time, baby, for some hedge fund tears in the chat. Let's go. I want to see it. Let me get over to the chat. Tears in the chat, baby. It's been a minute. We love it. We love it. They thought we was leaving. They thought the apes was getting up out of here. No. Tears in the chat. Here we go. Here we go. Tears in the chat, baby. Hedge fund tears in the chat. Once I see him, oh, here we go. I see him. We got to play the music. We got to play the hedge fund anthem. Man, it's yeah, we have so much fun on live. I'm telling you. Yo, I'm telling you, we have a lot of fun on live. I love it. I love it. I love it. But family, look, join the Discord if you have not done so already. You already know what time it is. Let me just double check. Oh yeah, I said I was gonna talk about NIO. Let's see what's going on with him right now. We can't. And the hedge fund tears in the chat. Let's get it, baby. NIO is still over that. They thought NIO was gonna tank, but guess what?
My detector test determined that was a lie.
They thought it was gonna tank, but that's not true. They said
Stop the cap.
stop the cap. So we back up over to 35, right? So Discord fam, that's in and remember, you don't want to be doing calls every day. But the Discord fam that is in I might average down on charge point very soon. So we still up on the NIO play. Let's go. All right, Discord fam. This is where I am with it. This is where I am with it. Now, to be fair, I'm gonna tell you, like, just from I don't know if just doing day trading in front of you got my eyes all mixed up, but this is what I'm feeling in my heart. You don't have to do this, but we're up 10% now, which is $43. So we just got into an Apple call, right? Discord fam, we've been running this one, waiting for NIO Day to pop us up. Now we over this mark. It came down and went up. Now, two things I might want to do. I might want to just either get out of it and then get back in it, which you can do that. Or you can just take the money and run and get into another place so you don't get hit with a day trade, right? Because we've already been in this one. Or once it pops back down, because it's starting to find support at this 34, we'll be in the red again, but then we can average down. So I want you to assess the situation. Also, family, hit the like button. Hit the like button. I don't think we got 40%, not 40%. You said them data scientists, baby. Oh, man. So, right, them data scientists. So, check it out. Did I just send this to you? Let me just double check. I think I did. Did I? No, I didn't. Yo, I thought I did. Let me send this again. I thought I did. You can't even see what I'm talking about. Here we go. I swear I had this open. You let me know. I don't know. I swear I did. Yeah, so we up 10%, right? And this is what I'm thinking. Two ways to go with this. You can take the money and go right now. And then jump back in when we hit 34 again. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Friday, right? All of this green, just know the short sellers family, they coming. They around the corner. Apple is just gap filled. So this is a potential good entry, by the way, for it to run up on a new call on a retracement. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it alone. I already made $1,500 in less than 20 minutes or so. So I'm going to leave that alone. You take your wins and you go. Now, NIO, you could jump out and jump back in the 34 range. Or you could just hold it. But I want you to know what the options are in this case. Okay, so now, what I'm about to do now is I'm getting up out of here. I'm about to head over to Discord Live. We're going to run a quick Discord Live. And I'll catch you in a little bit, family. If you want to be up on any of that, then hit the Discord link. So, yeah, again, just so I'm clear, NIO is not done. But it's likely to try to come back and test this 34 again, like in the 34s. So then you could be prepared to either average down when you get back into the red, or be prepared to just get out now and then get back in, let's call it Friday or something like that. Now, you decide. You be the judge. I give you the facts. You be the judge. That's what I'm seeing. But, again, you'll be all right as long as you have a plan. If you don't plan, you might as well plan to fail. But again, I'll see y'all. Oh, yeah. I can't get out of here yet. My guy said check out Meta Roundhill ETF. This is new to me. Gene Thornton, the beast. Yo, let's go. Now, family, I don't know if this is. Oh, here we go. It's a stock. Okay, check it out. So let's look at the volume on it first. The volume on it is 600,000, so not even a million yet on a day. Yesterday, it was 2 million. Day before that, yeah, family. So the momentum is dying down a little bit on it. However, if I was to try to load up on this on the day, I would be looking to get in it under 15. But 15 ain't bad. But again, I love y'all. I see you on the Discord live. If you want to get up on that, we're going to jump in there real quick. I see you over there. Again, if you can't handle the heat of these hot stocks, then stay out of the kitchen and consider investing in the index funds. I appreciate y'all. I love y'all. And again, man, I'm telling y'all, man, it's real. It's so real. It's so real. I love coming on here live with y'all. It means so much to me to have y'all here learning with the family and just getting ready to just see what can happen. You know what I mean? But again, I appreciate y'all and I love y'all. I see you in the next one. Discord live. Let's get it. Take care.